This is Genesis with Sozo Education and Beauty Supply. I would like to introduce you to our new magical bath bomb wands. Simply take any micro mini bath bomb and put them in the center of the wand and replace the top. These are made from PLA or polylactic acid. It is a thermoplastic material made from renewable resources like corn, sugarcane, or sugar beet. It is biodegradable and compostable under certain conditions. Do not leave the wand submerged in water for a long period of time, as it will absorb the water slowly and take longer to dry out. Do not store bath bombs inside of the wand when not being used. Rinse the wands with clean water and lay all pieces separately to dry on a towel. For more fun bath accessories, please check out our website at sozoeducationandbeautysupply.com. Enjoy!